All right, I want to show you how to upload fonts on Pixellab. So this is the voice of Joseph Amani. So you'd have to come to your app area and search for file. All right, this file I'm talking about is basically found on your Android, and if you don't have it, go to Google Play and download it. All right, so tap on it. Since you've downloaded it, all you need to do is come here. In fact, the first thing I would want you to do is to create a folder. All right, so the first thing I'd want you to do is to come down here. There's a place called internal storage, so you tap on it. Right, tap on internal storage. Then I would want you to tap here. Right, so you tap on these three dots and add new folder. Right, tap on add new folder. So I want you to call the folder as fonts. All right, you can just call it my fonts. Please do this, my fonts. Then you create the folder. So having done that, I want you to go back and now search for the one I sent to the group. All right, search for the font I sent you to download. So you search for it, all right, that's FGM fonts. Now I actually sent two of them, so let's start with this one, FGM fonts. So I haven't searched for FGM fonts. You would touch it and you see these three dots. You you tap the three dots, then you you now tap on move to. All right, move to. Now you are moving to the folder you just created. Remember, we called that my fonts, right? So this is my font. So you tap on it and you tap on move here. So it has been moved. So the other one is autograph, right? Autograph. So having searched for autograph, this is it. You also tap on it, or in this case, don't tap on it directly. All right, so just tap these three dots and also tap move to. So you move to the folder we created, which is what, my fonts. All right, please follow these steps bit by bit, then you move to my fonts. So we have successfully moved to my fonts. So having done that, you now go back, you come to here again, this internal storage, tap on internal storage. Having tapped on internal storage, move down to my fonts now. So you enter my fonts, so you can see both of them here. So the first thing you would want to do is extract the autograph, then you now extract the FGM fonts. So the autograph is the single one, then the FGM fonts, we have about 2000 fonts there. So let's start with the autograph. So you tap on autograph, then you tap on extract. Please follow this carefully. All right, tap on extract. So it has extracted, then you tap on done. So you have successfully extracted for that. So when you look at it, when you tap on this, you can see the extract. Now let's go to the other one, which is the FGM font. So you tap on it, it's telling us to extract. So you tap on extract. So you tap on extract. Because there are about 2000 files there, it's going to take a while. You can see it's loading, so you just have to wait. So let's just wait for that. It's going to take a while before it gets done. So let's wait for it. And by the way, when you start watching this video and it gets to this point, I would encourage you to just forward it so that you can continue. Don't wait for it, just forward it so that I can continue from the next thing to be done. So let's wait for it, but I urge you to forward it. All right, we are done. I hope you actually forwarded it to this specific place we are at currently. All right, let us continue. So you tap on done. All right, so I haven't tapped on done. You can see it here. So we now have both of them. So we have over 2,000 fonts here. Now let's go and upload them to the Pixellab app. So let's go to Pixellab. You come to Pixellab. When you come here, you just tap on text. So you just get any text, right? You tap on any text, right? And then you come to this text area, then look for the font, right? Move to fonts. So you scroll down till you see font. Good. So you tap on font. Please follow it carefully. All right, let me take that again. You bring a text in, then look for this font, then you come to my font. Now this is what you are going to do. You see this, you tap on it. After tapping on that, you now come to your phone. All right, come to your phone. You tap on your phone, then you now go to that folder which is called my fonts, the folder we created. So can you see that folder, my fonts? Now you can see autograph. So let's start with autograph. So you basically tap on autograph, right? Then you now tap on this one, autograph, then you select it. So it has been added. All right, it has been added. So if you type autograph now, you'd see it. So this is it. This is the autograph. So that's how it works. So follow me carefully. Then let's upload the other one. That's the other one. So you go back to my fonts again, which is this FGM fonts. So you tap on it. You can see there are very many. So you wait for them to load. So this is what you are going to do. You select one or two. After selecting that, you now tap on these three dots here, this hamburger, three dots. Tap on it, then you tap on select all. Because they are about 2,000, you can't be selecting them one after the other. Can you see how much they are? So this is what you are going to do. I haven't selected all, then you now tap on this select. Are you following me? You tap on this select. Can you see they are about 2,873? But for me, I'm not going to tap select in this case because I already have the fonts. I don't want the fonts to be double. So tap on this select, and immediately you tap on this select, it's going to be added. It's going to lag. It's going to lag. In fact, it might take you off the Pixellab. So after you do that, this is what I urge you to do. Put off your phone and on it back. That's refresh your phone. Then you would find it. But if you don't find it, this is what I'll tell you to do. Make sure you uninstall Pixellab and reinstall Pixellab. The moment you reinstall Pixellab, do this immediately. This should be the first thing you should do. Then you would definitely find the fonts and you can start making use of the fonts. All right. And if you are to uninstall your Pixellab, I would advise that the assignment for the first day, make sure you have saved the assignment for the first day and you have exported the assignment so that when you uninstall and reinstall, you would not lost the design for the first day. I hope that's very much clear. So basically that's how it's done. So you just tap on select and it works. But for me, I won't be tapping because I already have them. I don't want to have two fonts and all of that. So that is how it's done. Very simple, straightforward. Make sure you do your assignments and have a lovely day ahead. See you later in the evening.